In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate the contents of a folder in Google Drive, even though Google Drive doesn't offer a direct copy folder option. Instead, we'll be copying the files within the folder to achieve the same end result. This method is handy whether you're organizing your files more effectively or backing up important documents. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and navigate to the specific folder that you wish to copy. Once you've located it, double-click to open the folder. This will display all the files that reside within that specific directory. The next step is to select all of the files inside. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. For those on a Mac, you'll simply press CMD and A. This shortcut selects every file in the folder, saving you from the tedium of clicking each file individually. Once all files are highlighted, right-click on any of the selected files. From the context menu that appears, click on the option labeled Make a Copy. This will create duplicate versions of each selected file, which are automatically named starting with Copy Of, followed by the file's original name. These newly generated copies will appear right there alongside the originals in your current folder. It's important to note that if your folder contains many files, this process may take a little time, so just be patient. Now that you have the copies made, the next step is to organize them. To do this, select all the copied files. You can use the same shortcut as before, Ctrl and A on Windows, or CMD and A on Mac to highlight just the copies. Once again, right-click on the selected files, and this time choose Move To from the context menu. You now have the chance to create a new folder as a destination for these copies, or you can select an existing folder if you prefer. If you want to create a new folder, look for an icon or a button that says New Folder or similar. This option will allow you to specify a new location for your copied files. Naming the new folder something descriptive will make it easier to recognize later. Finally, after selecting or creating your desired folder, confirm your selection. The copied files will then be moved to this chosen folder, effectively recreating your original folder with all its contents, now neatly organized in a new location. And that's it. You've successfully copied the contents of a folder on Google Drive without a copy folder feature. This method is efficient and easy once you get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one.